I wanted to create a video about this new feature that I'm working on in the editor inside Minter. So as you can see, this is like the right side is the current production application and the left side is the dev application, the dev mode. As you can see here, the headings, like you can indent text on the heading, and this is one of the main issues. Well, not a main issue, but one of the rules that we have at the Minter that the content below a heading should be part of the heading, and the way that we do that is using hierarchy. So you can see that these two paragraphs are part of the problem heading, and these paragraphs are part of the solution heading. And you can see that the nested headings have a different size. Okay, so um, while this is great, some users complain about being like seeing this as weird. Okay, so what I'm working on is to flatten this alignment and make it all visually vertically aligned, but have a visual indicator that something is inside a heading. So for example, if I have a heading 2 here, because of course this is the title, this is heading 1. So when I press enter, you see that now we have a line suggesting, hey, this is part of this heading. And you can see here that we have the heading here, and also then the children is part of the new content, right? So if I keep adding, everything is inside, but when I press tab inside another paragraph, we keep this visual indentation for everything else that is not a paragraph, that is not a heading. So you can see that when I move and the line appears or disappears. And of course, if I create another heading here, this will be heading 3, and you can see that clearly the visual indicator that it's different. So heading 3 is inside heading 2, and this now is part of heading 3. So you can see that the line changes depending on which heading you are. It's always at the first heading from the cursor position. I found this quite great. Heading 4, and then I create content, and you can see that now I have the line over there, and the line just goes up until the end, right? So it's kind of cool. I don't know what you feel, what you like, what you think about it. Let me know, because this was a lot of fun to edit.